This is brought to you by Highlander Fight Team, Fight Factory, and sponsored by Brawling Ball. Chainsaw submission demonstrated by Sergio Bonilla and Patrick Krepa. Going for the first armbar. As it fails, we finish with a second counter. First armbar, guy pulls out, turn back over for the second. When the counter armbar fails, there's a knee bar. After the first and the second armbar, you can attack the knee and lock him out. This happens a lot when the guy is trying to escape. Now, 4 submissions in a row. Armbar, out. Pulls the second armbar out. Pulls the knee bar. He finishes with the knee compression.